Hi, my name is Baby Jane Barcelon, 44 years old, married, and excited to start a career in the call center industry. I don't have experience in this field yet, but I'm eager to learn to develop the skill needed to provide excellent customer service. What draws to this course is passion for helping people, solving problems, and working in a fast environment. I enjoy interacting with the others and find fulfilling by addressing their concern and providing solution. I believe that my patient and positive attitude will help me connect with a customer and ensure that they have a great experience. I am confident that my willingness to learn quickly, along with my ability to stay calm and focus under pressure, will help me succeed in this course in later industry. I am also excited to develop new skills such as holding different types of customer interaction and learning effective communication techniques. An additional value important is of teamwork, collaboration. I look forward to working alongside other learning for them and to contributing to supporting a productive environment. Thank you.